Well, there are very long roads which have to do with stopping the mind, stopping our thoughts, stopping what's called our inner dialogue, where we're telling ourselves all the time what's going on. It's like a running commentary about what we're doing, what's happening, how we're feeling, what we're thinking. And actually just trying to stop that is really, really hard, because the mind is active and needs to be active. So the path that I find most effective is to change the function of the mind from thinking to awareness. So we give the mind something to do. We focus it on being aware of what is happening inside us, being aware of our sensations, our physical sensations, the five senses, being aware of what's happening energetically inside us. And as we shift the mind from having a thinking function to having an awareness function, then we move away from the head and from all these images of how we should be in our concepts. And we learn to refocus on what's happening inside us and who we are. And of course, when we were tiny, when we were children, we had that ability, but we were trained to please, trained to worry about what other people think, trained to be self-conscious. And that has taken us out of this awareness of ourselves, and ourselves as a flow of energy and a point of consciousness.